So today I'm going to show you how to pay on PayPal. So we're actually going to be here on the app in real time. So we have our home button over here on the bottom left highlighted for us, and we have a little bit of money in our balance. And if by any chance you do not have any money in your balance, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to add more money into there. So from here, what we want to actually do is very easily go down here towards the very center of the bottom where it says send/request. It has those up and down arrows. Let's click on this. Now this is going to take you to the send and request page. Now the first thing at the very top is to be able to search for names, usernames, email, mobile phone number. You can pretty much whichever way the other person is able to receive, you're able to search for. Now, if by any chance you've already sent this person some money, you can find them in the suggested tab towards the bottom. So from up here at the very top, you're just going to type in, again, that person's information, whether it's the email or phone number that they gave you, and we're going to go on to the next step. So once you find that person, it is typically going to have their photo. Hopefully they added a photo there for you. It's going to show you their name, and then it's going to have the amount that you would like to send them. It is toggled automatically in USD for us here. So we're going to go ahead and just show you an example of sending $1 here for us. And there is a section here to add a note. Now here you can use some of their icons, or you can, put in anything you need right here. So for example, we're going to put it in YouTube over here, and then we're going to click on the word send over here towards the center of the screen. Now this little pop-up section here is going to show up for us. So let's talk a little bit about this. The very top here is going to say balance. Now, if you do not have a PayPal balance, the thing you can do is either add money in, or you can go ahead and click this little right-hand arrow. And this is going to show you all your accounts that you have on file. So whether it's a bank account with this little bank icon, or it's a debit card with those card icons, you can choose any of those that you would like. If you do not have any on here, you can either add them directly here. Sometimes it'll show you to add, or you could do that separately in another setup video on how to do that. And you'll also let you know if there are any fees associated. You can see the debit cards actually do have a small fee. So something to keep in mind, the bank accounts do not have a fee, and neither does the PayPal balance. Whichever option you choose, make sure that checkbox is there, and then you're going to click on done. And that's going to take you back over here to this review page. The next section here says friends and family. If this is somebody you know, you can go ahead and keep this option here. If not, click on this right-hand arrow. And then there's an extra option up here that says for goods and services. This is essentially making sure that if there is something wrong, you can more easily request that money back. So keep that in mind. This is to help protect you. And there is going to be a small fee that the seller or whoever's receiving the money will have to pay. So please keep that in mind. If everything here looks good, you can click the back left-hand arrow over here. And then from right over here, it is going to let you know what any fees might be associated with this one. It's $0. The total amount, which for this one is going to be $1, and then the estimated delivery, which will be in seconds because they also have that PayPal account. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on send, and you are all set to go to pay on PayPal. Now, I mentioned earlier there is more to show you when it comes to utilizing your PayPal account, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.